As I rummaged through the attic, the clatter of old keys startled me. The typewriter, untouched for decades, was composing a tale of my ancestors' sinister past. Each keystroke echoed a truth my family had concealed for generations. The first words revealed a great-grandparent's pact with a shadowy figure, trading their soul for prosperity. Mesmerized, I watched the machine weave a narrative of greed, betrayal, and bloodline curses, each revelation more horrifying than the last. My heart raced as it detailed a forgotten child, forsaken in the pursuit of wealth, whose spirit vowed vengeance upon the descendants. Desperately, I tried to stop the keys, but they continued their relentless march, spelling out a warning: the debt is due. The room grew cold, and I felt an unseen presence, a whisper of the past demanding retribution. In the final sentence, the typewriter promised that the curse would reach its climax tonight, and I realized with dread